Hi everyone, and welcome to another StratoSTACK tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started by clicking on DNS. We're going to slide the cursor over to the green plus sign. The new domain screen is visible. Let's select a name for the domain and save it. We'll call this one hex.net. The next step is adding DNS resource records, so let's get started. We move our cursor to the blue button outline of a pencil. This is the edit button on StratoSTACK. We see the resource record screen that displays the different types of records you can add to the domain. We'll begin by selecting the IPv4 address record. So let's click on the letter A. Next, we will label the host name and the corresponding IP address. Click Add a Record. We'll use the same process to add the IPv6 address record. Move your cursor to the blue button with the 4 A's. Type in the host name and the IP address. And then click Add AA record. The new IPv6 address is displayed with data in the field types host name and target. The message added AAAA record is also displayed. Nothing too difficult so far. Let's go ahead and do CNAME. And just for funsies, let's do MX. So go ahead and type in the host name. So we're going to do hex.net again, and then we're going to put in the priority. And let's go ahead and make that 1. The new mail exchange record is displayed with data in the fields type, hostname, and priority. The message added MX record is also displayed. We then type in the host name and then click Add NS record, ns1.hex.net, and then go ahead and add NS record. Alright, so you see that they are all displayed. So next we're going to move on to text records. Text records is information associated with the name or for authenticating emails. So go ahead and move the cursor to the TXT button. And we'll input the host name and text. And then click Add TXT record. And you'll see the new text record is displayed with data in the fields type, hostname, and target. The message added TXT record is also displayed. Finally, we reach the end of adding DNS records with services. This is where it might get a little bumpy, so we'll move forward slowly. These records define services available in the zone. Services DNS records also enables discovery of domain servers providing specific services. We move the cursor over to the SRV displayed and click it. We place the cursor in the field labeled SRV, type hostname, priority, port, and wait. The type and the values associated with each field, and then click Add SRV record. So let's go ahead and type in the SRV type. And the hostname. So again, we're doing hex.net. We'll put it as a priority of 1. Port 80. And let's do the weight of 5. Go ahead and add SRV record. The new services record is displayed with data in the fields, and the message added SRV record is also displayed. The next thing we want to demonstrate is editing DNS records. For this tutorial, we will illustrate how to edit one DNS record. Let's edit the CNAME changing name field from www to FTP. So move the cursor to the edit button next to CNAME and click on it. Okay, let's edit the field by typing FTP in the name and then clicking save. The new CNAME record was edited, changing the hostname from www to FTP. The message successfully updated DNS record is also displayed. The next thing we want to demonstrate is deleting DNS records. Again, for this tutorial, we will illustrate how to delete one DNS record. Deleting DNS records does not vary based on resource type. We will delete the TXT record. So let's move the cursor to the red trash can icon on the same row as the TXT record and click it. A small dialog box will appear asking delete this record. Let's just click OK. The TXT record type is no longer visible and has been deleted. With StratoSTACK, you can easily delete an entire domain without deleting the individual records. Let me show you how. We move the cursor to the menu on the left side of the page and click on DNS. We then move the cursor to the red trash can icon next to the domain and click it. A dialog box appears and asks, delete this domain. This will also delete all domain records. This seems pretty scary, but let's go ahead and click on it, because why not? And there you go, the domain has been deleted. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, you can visit our website, StratoSTACK.org. And thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped.